Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shayna if you are new here, and if you are returning, thank you again for stopping by to see me. Notifications are going off on my phone. So today we're going to pick up our groceries at Walmart through their grocery side pickup. We first started in 2019 using Walmart's grocery side pickup, and it is just the best thing ever. It's a big convenience on time, but also on energy. I currently have a leg injury, and so I'm trying to recuperate. My husband is home. Let's go get our groceries.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
So the video that I just recorded, like that little intro, was like an hour and a half ago. As I was recording it, my husband had come home from work and he was walking in the house, so I'm not sure if it turned out okay or not, because I was speaking really fast. I feel like I'm speaking fast right now as well. Anyway, we quickly went and we picked up our groceries from Walmart. We came home, we quickly ate dinner, and now here are all the groceries. I'm going to open up these bags, show you guys what we bought, and then put everything away. Okay, so the only substitution was the salmon. It was out of stock, so instead they gave me 4 1-pound packages of salmon instead. So I ended up being actually like plus 8 ounces. So it's kind of like a half a pound of salmon for free, because when they have a substitution, they don't charge you any extra for the substitution. So I made out, and I don't mind having 4 packages of salmon versus 1. So let me get this opened up and show you everything else. Get on your feet, something and take some action. Do you remember the lyrics to that song? Baby?
Yes.
You do? All I remember is get on your feet. I'm feeling a little guilty about all these plastic bags, baby. That's the one, like, downfall, if you would. Oh, that's different. They gave us blue corn tortilla chip bowls. Instead of the chips. But that's fine, same difference. Baby, do you hear? So the kids will probably actually enjoy these bowls. They gave us, I ordered 3 bags of tortilla chips. They gave us 2 tortilla chips and 1 bag of the bowls, and they look really cute. The only thing I noticed, like I said, were those chips. And then I ordered little like to-go lunch containers, and they ended up being out of stock. And then I ordered bananas, and oddly bananas were out of stock. This is everything that we purchased from Walmart. So I guess I'll start with the meats, or like the proteins. So we have these chicken nuggets. I bought 5 bags because they were $4.98, and for the last few months they were up to $6.98 per bag. So I went ahead and I bought 5 bags. While they're at $4.98 per bag, you cannot beat the price for almost 2 pounds of chicken nuggets that are fully organic. Great price. You can turn these into a lot of different meals, or just bake them and serve them as is, but they're actually amazing. They're delicious. So we have 5 bags of chicken nuggets. We also have the 4 1-pound bags of salmon. I purchased this no, not a salad kit, a sub kit. I was about to place salami in the shopping cart, and then this was like a suggested item, so I figured we would give it a try. It is 1 pound and 12 ounces. It's very heavy, it's huge. So that is going to go great with our hoagie night for this week. The other meats that we purchased were some turkey pepperoni. That is delicious. A big roll of ground turkey. And then some beef chorizo. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, like this week. Like, I don't know. We probably won't use this week. But I'll put it in the freezer and we'll have it for the future. I really don't have like a meal plan for this week. I might just wing it. But we have plenty of options, plenty of food to choose from. So continuing on with the proteins, I bought some more tuna. We still have some, but you know, I'm trying to slowly stock up on things that we use frequently and love. And we enjoy tuna for sure. And then the salmon, 4 bags, 1-pound packages of salmon. I think that's it for the meats. Oh, and then also this package here of honey turkey breast. I mentioned we're going to have a hoagie night, so I went ahead and I bought the Havarti and also Colby Monterey Jack. Colby and Monterey Jack. It's like a mixed type of cheese. It's delicious. And then also we bought romaine lettuce and Roma tomatoes to have for our hoagies. I mentioned I don't have like a meal plan for this week, but just a little bit ago I was thinking, you know, tomorrow we will have taco night, like for Taco Tuesday. And I just realized I didn't buy any taco shells. So maybe we'll do taco salads instead. Actually, yeah, that'll be great. We can serve some of these dipper chips with salsa for the kids. And then we'll just do our shredded chicken tacos. We'll do like a taco bowl tomorrow night. So that'll work out great. So we have lettuce, tomatoes, and some fresh cilantro. We'll use that for our taco bowls tomorrow night as well. I still haven't gotten around to making my pizza, but I did finally remember to buy some whole peeled tomatoes. This is going to be the base for my pizza sauce, and it's going to be amazing. So that is what we bought for canned goods, the tuna and the tomatoes. Again, for hoagie night. This smells incredible, you guys. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Yum. For the freezer, I only ended up buying these 2 items. So 2 bags of Brussels sprouts. And I finally went ahead and bought some more of my blueberries. These are very good for your liver. And I'm trying to be better with my food choices so that I can heal my liver. So I'm excited to have these again. These are great just to snack on, but I turn most of them into smoothies. Very, very good. I haven't been able to find milk on sale anywhere lately. Usually when I see it, I stock up on it and put it in the freezer. So we've been paying full price, but of course, you know, we pay it because we need it. So unsweetened almond milk. Just 1 for this week. And then we bought the brown rice, 2 packages of that, 3 salsas, and the chips. So that is everything that we bought. And this equaled $95. We have some loose cilantro. This cost $95. It was $99, like 87, 99 something. But again, the containers that I ordered were out of stock, and they also canceled the bananas that I ordered. Today we had chicken, tomorrow we're having chicken. We still have leftover chicken, not leftover. We have another family package of boneless, skinless chicken breast that we still haven't cooked. So we still have that to use. I still have a bag of shrimp in the freezer. What else do we have, baby? That's about it. Oh, and a bag of meatballs. And we still have tuna. So we do have options. We have a lot of apples in the fridge. So like the refrigerator is no longer empty, but I am continuing, you know, I'm still stocking up on items. So I'm excited for a good week. I'm thankful to have groceries in our home. And I'm excited for February. I hope that we stick to our food budget. Like, I say I have a food budget, but then I also don't because I'm trying to stock up on things. So I don't know, there's a nice balance in there somewhere. But I'm enjoying keeping track of what we're spending. It's fun to be able to go back and see what we spent like previously versus now. And so I hope that you find encouragement by this. Maybe you found a few ideas here and there. What is your favorite thing that I purchased from Walmart today? Let me know what the favorite thing is of yours that you've purchased recently. And I thank you for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.